everyone, my name is Bhumik and I am performing lab number 6 IoT regarding the Watson platform, and I am going to show you how to send the temperature of the Raspberry Pi from Raspberry to the Watson, and we can see the data over there. So this is the Raspberry Pi that I have connected to the power via USB, and now I will be showing you the data. As you can see, in the PowerShell I have connected the Pi with using the SSH Pi and my IP address. Moving forward, I have updated the Raspberry Pi using sudo apt-get update, and also installed the Node-RED to send the data from Raspberry Pi to Watson. So using the Node-RED start, we can start the Node-RED node, and as you can see at here, this is the local address and the port number that the red node is running, Node-RED. And after that, we can disable the boot time auto start button, like it won't start at the boot time using this command. Then I have installed other node related libraries to support the Watson node in the red node. So now, as you can see over here, this is the window of Node-RED using the IP address of my local net that is Raspberry is running on with the port number. So this is the flowchart. In the flowchart, as you can see, the trigger, that is a inject node. In that we can start the whole process using the boolean function true, and it runs at every interval every 2 seconds. In the next node, that's execution node, there is a command cmd that we can use to get the CPU temperature of Raspberry Pi, and also measure. I have set the name of temp, and we will be using the exec mode. In here, this is the function node. In the function node, we have set up the payload that can remove the temperature and the string from the output, and it only gives you the output of the temperature number. As you can see here in the debug mode, this is the number output in the JSON format. Now I will be showing you send to Watson, and Watson, you can see we have to set as a device, and there is a credential that we have to enter to connect to the Watson. So as you can see in the Watson, these are the credentials that I have got from the Watson account. I'll be showing you later regarding this thing. And this is the debug node that you can see. There is nothing we have to do. It shows the output that we have seen over here in the debug, that the program is running correctly. So now moving forwards, so this is the window that IBM we have seen. So in the cloud, we are going to perform all the visualization over here. So first we will set the resource. As you can see, I have already installed the IoT platform, and in the IoT platform you can see manage, and so as you can see, our device that we have created is here, not the actual device, but the connect the Raspberry to the Watson. We need to create a virtual device with the following details. As you can see, device ID, type. This we can add as a manually, like any detail you want. As you can see, I have used my details over here for the sample, and in the recent events, as you can see, states the temperature is like events running right now. After that we are going to see setup in the board. Like I have created one board using the create new board. In the create new board we can see the temperature monitor, and here you can see the live data that's coming from Raspberry Pi. So this is the live temperature data. We can see it's all around 40, 45, 50, 50, 49, and also there is a JSON file we can create or import from here. And export. Yeah, that's everything from me.